Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm off to Animate North in Toronto, where I'll be a judge for Model Kit contest. It's my first time going to the Animate North, and I can't believe I'll be one of the judges there. The event takes place from May 24th to 26th, Friday to Sunday, but I'm only going on the judging day, which is the last day. I thought I had arrived early enough to explore before it got too crowded. However, when I got there at 11, the judging preparations were already in progress. And sitting there were all the judges, Tim and Ellen from IPMS Hamilton. Sue has participated in various model contests in the past and has won numerous awards. Arthur, the owner of Agama Hobby. And Simon, the 2023 GBWC World Champion. And I'm the small potato there, didn't know what to expect. The entries were grouped into different categories, and we all have to pick the top 6 of each and discuss with all other judges. To be honest, it was such a tiring process, and it was a lot harder than what I have expected. It was such an incredible experience to me, and I have learned a lot from all the judges, especially Sue and Simon. I also get a chance to hand out medals to some of the winners and get to meet some of my supporters. It has been such an honor to take part on the judge panel. When we were done, it also came to the end of Animate North event. Quickly browsed around, but it was time to go before they kick us out. Thank you for watching today. I know this episode is quite short. I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.